Hello everyone, nizera ko meze neza. Umunsi tugiye kwiga icitwa bita common phrases about weather, okay? Tukiga amajambo dushobora gukoresha mu kuvuga cyane cyane vyerekeye ikirere, okay? So weather bisobanura ikirere. Turi kumwe? So kenshi umuntu ashobora kubaza ati mbe ikirere kimeze gute? Mu Cyongereza ni what's the weather like today? Ikirere kimeze gute uyu munsi? Okay? What's the weather like today means ikirere kimeze gute uyu munsi. Cyangwa mushobora kubaza kandi ati how is the weather? How is the weather, right? Okay, so unaanza ati how is the weather, ushobora kumwisha it's sunny. It's sunny bisobanura ati hari izuba. Okay, hari izuba ryinshi, hari izuba. Okay? Hama cyangwa kuvuga ati mu gihe hari ibicu ati it's cloudy. Hari ibicu, nta zuba, nta mvura, hari ibicu gusa. Nta zuba, nta mvura, so it's cloudy. Okay? Mu gihe naho imvura ihayigwa, igumigwa, tuvuga ati it's rain, okay? It's rain. Hama mu gihe naho hashushe uvuga ati yeah, it's hot out today. Ati umunsi arashushe kabisa. It's hot. Cyangwa it's hot out. Tuvuga ati it's hot, cyangwa it's hot out today, right? Ati umunsi arashushe. Haka inavuga ati oh, it's cold. Harakanye. Hama it's changeable. It's changeable hapo bisobanura ati ikirere guma gihindagurika. So ati izuba riraka, imvura ikagwa, bimwe bihanahana. Amaraka ni kamwe ko bwenge sho kwishura tand it's freezing. It's freezing. It's freezing. How bisobanura ati harakanye cyane. Okay? That is freezing but harakanye cyane gose. Turikumwe. So iyo umuntu avuze ati how is the weather, cyangwa what's the weather like today? Ati kire kimeze gute umunsi tumwishura kimwe muri bivanye n'ikirere ukuntu kimeze. Tukenga atwomye yuko it's sunny, hari izuba, it's cloud, hari ibicu, nta mvura, nta zuba gusa, hari ibicu gusa. Okay? It's rain, imvura igumigwa, hari imvura. It's hot, cyangwa hot out there, ati umunsi arashusha. It's cold, harakanye. It's changeable, naho bisobanura ati ikirere uzati the weather is changeable, cyangwa is changeable bisobanura ati ikirere kirahindagurika. Imvura iragwa, izuba rikaka. Hama bivuze it's freezing, naho bisobanura ati harakanye cyane gose. Okay? Nizere ko muzashobora gukoresha mu majambo tuje kwiga ajyanye na common phrases about the weather.